Yeah. Fuck, man. Yeah, just lay down, brother.
Just chill. We'll get you.
Yeah, you're. Yeah, that last.
Just chill.
I'm sorry, brother. Yeah, just relax, man.
Fuck my bike. It's okay. Fuck the bike.
Yeah, you're good, bro. You can buy another bike. You can't buy another life.
I just need a call. That's all.
Yeah. Here, what's the number, man? I'll dial it for you. You good, man? As good as you can be? Well, you're conscious. That's a great thing, man.
I can't find.
Yeah, who are you looking for?
No.
Yeah. You want me to tell her?
Yeah, just he's fine.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, just relax, man.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. 9.
Hello, Emma. What's your name?
Gino.
I'm here with Gino. We had a little accident. He's all right. He's conscious. The bike's kind of totaled, but we have an ambulance on the way. Just call back, please.
Yeah.
Alright. Can you feel your fingers?
Yes.
Move your fingers.
I feel everything.
Here, I'm gonna try one more time.
What about this side?
I feel everything. I'm just.
What about your toes? Can you move your toes, bud?
Yes.
Alright. Feel this. Feel that.
Yes.
Here.
Yes.
No, here.
You ain't got no play, do you? You're good.
Can you feel that?
Yeah, see the motorcycle. It
Okay.
looks like it hits your water.
You just had a little spill.
You alright? No?
Fuck, man. Thank you so much. Oh, fuck, man. This fucking thing is dust. Yeah, he's conscious. He's all right. He's awake. Yeah, fuck, man. It's a wet road for you. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take off, man. Yeah. What's up? Yeah, they're gonna stay. It's just better that way. No, hell no.
on tree line.
You see my gloves?